Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Okay, so this is what I received from New CraftDay. Thank you so much, New CraftDay. I appreciate this very, very much. They told me that I could go on their website and pick out what I want and do a little review for you guys, a little unboxing. And so this is what I picked. On the left, those little boards, that is some magnetic hanging boards that one goes on the top, one goes on the bottom, and I'll show you how they look up close in just a second. And this is the picture that I picked out. And as you can tell, I've already started on it, the diamond painting, and it came with, these are the diamonds. I guess they call them drills. I'm still learning all these new words. And it came with this tray, the little glue, and the pink thing. Well, the other thing that I picked out was this thing. And it takes two AAA batteries that are not included. You will need to put your own batteries in it. But it lights up like this. And it helps you see, what you're working on. So this is pretty cool to have. Thank you so much for that. All right, let me show you a little up close of what I've got going. This is how much I have so far. Isn't it just beautiful? I'm finding that I am really, really loving this. And so actually when I work on this, I turn it the other way and work on it. But like there's the picture you get. It does not come with these little bags right here. I'll show you in just a second because I actually ordered a diamond painting off of their site as well. I did not use my coupon. I wish I had, but I'll be ordering some more from them. But they do not come with these. I bought these at Joann's. You can buy those in any little craft store, I'm sure. Everybody probably sells them in the bead section. But yeah, so I bought some of those to go with it. But yeah, this is going to hang up in my yarn room on the little fireplace mantle right above there. I think it'll look really pretty, bright and colorful. All right, so let me show you the kit that I actually purchased from them, and then I will show you their website, and I'll give you a coupon code. Okay, so when I received my nativity one, it came in this white package. So here's what it looks like. Open it up. Like I said, this is one that I actually purchased myself, but it's you get this tray, stylish pen, and one of these. And then here's how they come, your colors. Okay, so they come like this right here. So what I did is I just cut these right there, separated them, and then I cut this little silver part right here off that showed the number. And I put that inside my plastic baggie. That's how I'm keeping up with the colors of the drills. But yeah, they come like this right here. And you just separate them. So I would highly recommend, not just for this company, but really any company that you buy a diamond painting from, highly recommend buying something to put your colors in like that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and, I guess I can move this so you can see the whole painting. And that's the nativity. And I picked this one because I thought it looked a lot like stained glass look. And you guys know I love stained glass look. Okay, here are the magnetic boards. So instead of buying a frame, I picked this out. And there's the magnets. And there's that one. And then here's your hanging cord. So I'll show you guys what that looks like on. Okay, so here's what it looks like when I have the boards on there. And what I'll do is I'll trim this off right here. And that's what it'll look like. And then once again, I'll trim the top off up there. And then I'll trim these sides off. And I was thinking about when I get finished, maybe adding a little couple pom-poms on both sides right there. But there's the hanging piece. And see, it holds really good. Look at that. Hey guys, so this is their website, and it's newcraftday.com. They sell diamond paintings, cross stitch, paint by numbers, and they have new arrivals. And then read this: spend $50 to get 2 free gifts, and you get free shipping if you spend $50. And let me tell you guys, it is so easy to spend $50 on their website. Let's see. Oh, and if you use my code, Pamela10, you get 10% off, but not on this. Like if you want to spend under $50, you can just use my code. But it also says up here that if you enter your email, you get 10% off that way as well. So let's see. They have a search. When I type in Nativity, which is the one I just showed you, here it is right there. It was $10.84 for that. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? And then they have this one. That one is pretty, and so is that one. Yeah. Okay. I was going to show you, like, here's all the different diamond painting crafts. I thought that was really cool. You can make ornaments, toys, I mean, all kind of mirror, handbag stuff. It is really cool. Here's their best selling between the diamond painting and cross stitch. Here's diamond painting, let's see, tools. That's what I was going to look under. Like, here's all the different tools. Oh, I noticed that's not in the camera. But look at all this stuff, guys. I need to get some of this right here. Oh, and here's some of this magnetic wooden photo frame that you guys just saw. Let's see, click on that one. So if I chose, I think the one I had was the 1047 for that. And 1267. So I'm not sure which one I got. It was the 40 or 50 that they sent me. Back to their tools. They have a case right here with, which I didn't see that. That's $30 for that, and you get all this right here, and it reminds me of our crochet hook cases. And I guess it comes with all this stuff right here. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we have. Oh yeah, they have tons of, what do you call it? Drills. What do you call it? No, the pins, the diamond painting pins. They have tons of these. There's washi tape. There's some clips. There's a storage box. I really like that right there. See, look at these right there. I mean, tons of that stuff. There's some more magnetic poster hangers in wood. I mean, in wood. They're wood, but like in a darker color. Some cover minders. Let's see. There's your little roller thing. $7.20. I think their prices are pretty good. There's a light tracing table pad. That's really good. I like using that under mine. And you can also use that for other stuff, not just diamond painting. There's some more pins, rhinestone pins. Just really cool. There's one of those light up things that I have. Diamond painting tool USB charging point drill. That's cool. I might would have picked that one if I'd have seen that. There's so much to look at. Oh, here's one. This is what my sister Tanya needs. A folding magnifier for reading. And she can put that close to where she's at. Mold cross stitch, corrector, adjuster, more pins, some of that kind of pin, that rhinestone pin. That's the word I was looking for. Anyway, just look at that. I didn't notice that. Point drill glue clay box. That's pretty cool. Huh. And there's another one. Ooh, in blue. This is what luminous diamond painting. I think that's the one that I picked right there. And that's really cool to have. Another storage organizer, 28 slots, clear storage box case. You just go to New CraftDay. Accessories. Let's look at flower for cross stitch, kind of get an idea of some prices. There's some prices on their kits. Let's see the diamond painting. Let's look at flowers on diamond painting. Here we go. Very beautiful. Look at this, guys. I like that right there. But look at their prices. I think they're pretty good on their prices. It took this, I don't know, a little over a week to get in was all. Yep, really pretty. They have some really cool chicken ones. And they have some really cool Christmas ones on here as well. Type in Christmas. Here we go. Very pretty. Ooh, I really like this one. Yep, I told you they had some pretty Christmas ones. Look at these. 27 pages. Okay, guys, that's all that I have for this. I just wanted to show this off, and I wanted to thank New CraftDay for sending that to me, and I am totally enjoying it. And once I get it completely finished, I will show it in one of my videos, hanging up on my wall. And so you can see the finished product. But yeah, just stop by newcraftday.com. And like I said, if you spend $50, you get 2 free gifts. Oh yeah, let me show you the free gifts. How could I forget that, guys? Look at, these are items right here that you can pick as a free gift. And it's a mixture of cross stitch and diamond painting. I thought that's really cool. All these different things. And, oh, look at that owl. That's cool. See, I told you they had some good chicken ones in here. Look at that Christmas one right there. There's Mario. I even like that one right there. But yeah, you can actually spend $50 on a diamond painting, get you some cool supplies, and then turn around and order 2 more diamond painting kits for free. Pretty cool. I thought one of them that I had ordered was actually in this. There it is. Let me go under search. But yeah, that's the kind of stuff that you can get for free. I didn't show you much cross stitch. I apologize for that. I am a big cross stitch lover. And cross stitch. Oh, look at the lighthouses. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that would take me forever. Forever and a day. Ooh, that Christmas is just beautiful. I'm glad I went back to this so you guys can see that. Oh, I love that with the bicycle there. But yeah, that's some pretty good prices. Let's see how many pages they have. I don't want to go too fast. But I guess you could always pause the video. Okay, it looks like 8 pages. Another lighthouse. Look at that one. My favorite one, I would have to say, is this one right there. I think that's my favorite. Even though the other ones are just as beautiful. Okay, guys. Yeah, just go check out newcraftdays.com. And, you know, if you're interested, in, like I said, you can either use my code or you can spend $50 and get 2 free gifts and free shipping. Oh, and I think my shipping on mine was like $8.99, by the way, on my nativity that I got. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.